I choose to live right here, right now. Let the love I have be the loudest sound. I've walked through the fire, I survived the rain. I'm done just getting by, I'm done with quiet pain. I choose to live and let this open heart forgive.